6 years ago, I walked into the office of PracticeLeague as a part of the client success team. The office gave me fantastic opportunity to learn about the product in depth and later use the knowledge to manage client and their dealings. Hi, I am Navnath Chavan, working as an assistant manager client success at PracticeLeague. As time went by, I also got an opportunity to interact and work with the technical team to deliver value to the client. There is always a new challenge that is given to my team to better ourselves, an opportunity that is rarely given anywhere else. Thus, there is always room for error and improvement together. Life is never fair to everyone every day. So, yes, I had my personal share of downfalls. The core value that I inculcated in this period is that no matter what happens in life, staying true to your nature is of utmost importance. I'm a big fan of MS Dhoni and Sundar Pichai, both of whom have achieved remarkable feats in their respective careers. I look up to these two and their ideologies when I find myself struggling. With marriage on your cards, your responsibility increases, and there are many things that you need to look at. And for me, it's really difficult to find some free time. But I'm glad that despite all this, we as a family have enjoyed all the time that we have spent together. Owning a house was a dream I always wanted to achieve, and I am happy that I will be a proud owner next year of our new apartment that we recently booked. All I want to see is my family leading a happy life in our new home. I'm a proud father of a little baby girl whom I want to give universe so she can excel and grow to her fullest potential. She is a motivation for me to keep bettering myself as a person and as a father. Being a face of month, I would like to say, if you win, you celebrate it. If you lose, you learn from it. Either way, you are growing. So enjoy what you are doing. With PracticeLeague and my family with me, I hope I can build bigger and better future every day.